Hello viewers, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Google Meet absolutely free. And if you don't know about like what is Google Meet, let me tell you something about like Google Meet. Google Meet is like a similar type of Zoom or TeamViewer or AnyDex. You can easily share your screen with your friends and you don't need to install any kind of application in your PC. That means you don't need to install any kind of application, and this Google Meet most secure as like Zoom, okay, and this is Google product, so you can easily use this website or this product. Okay, so let me show you how we can get or how we can create a meeting or how to join meeting. Everything I'm just telling you in this video. Okay, so when you open this home page, then you will see something like this, and here as you can see new meeting, and we are just want to create a new meeting. That's why we just click on new meeting option, and here you can see three options like schedule in Google Calendar, start an instant meeting, and get a meeting link to share. So just simply click on the share button, and when you click on share button, then you will see something like this type of a link, and you just need to copy this link and you just need to send this link into your friends. I just sent my friends the link, and I also open this link in my PC or in my browser. So when you open this, then you'll see this is now loading, and here as you can see this is getting ready, and when this is getting ready, then you can or enable or access this. So here as you can see this camera option, so if you want to off this camera, just simply click on this camera option and it's will turn off, and if you turn on, you can use like shortcut Control E, then this camera will turn on, and if you click on this you can easily turn off your microphone on turn on your microphone. So here as you can see this join option and present option, just simply click on join button. So when you go to click on this join button, then you will join or enter on a Zoom meeting, and let me open this another link into my another PC. I just copy this link and paste here the link, and let's take some seconds. So here also like getting ready, and when our getting ready done, then we can easily join there. Okay, so here the video option, I just off the video and audio option. Let's just click on this ask to join button. So when you click on ask to join button, then I'm just getting this type of pop-up like this one want to join my meeting. So if you want to approve this, or if you want to entry this or admit this, just simply click on this admit button, and if you don't want to do this, just simply off. Okay, and just turn off this. So now we can communicate each other absolutely free, and if you see our other two screen, and I can easily see here like we are still communicated there. Okay, so let me show you how you can share your screen with your friends. Okay, so if you share your screen, you just see in the bottom here as you can see lots of options. I already tell you about like this option, and you just need to click on this present now button. Just simply click on present now, and when you click on present now, then you'll see some present option like your entry screen or window or Chrome tab. That means if you click on this entry screen, that means your PC all screen are shareable. Like if you go to your and the browser, or go to your and a file manager, or go to another screen, you can easily share that thing. But if you select her wait window, that means you can share any specific window. That means if you want to share your file manager or this PC option, you can easily select here that thing, and if you want to share only for browser, you can easily share that thing as a wish. And here the option is like a Chrome tab. That means if you want to share only one Chrome tab, you can easily share that thing. Suppose you just want to share only for like Fiber or any other tab, like I'm just searching here like this. I'm just trying to share only for this tab. I can easily share that in, as you can see here this present of this tab. I just select this tab and click on the share button, and when I click on share button, okay, so then you'll see in my another PC it's now presenting, and but it's now looking it's not looking, so that's why I just need to present again. Sometime my friends or your friends not seeing your screen, that's why you just need to present again. Just delete old one and click on the share. Let me share again and show you. Okay, so if I open a new tab, okay, so as you can see, this is now working and my friends are seeing my screen. Okay, so as you can see, my friends seeing my screen, as you can see. Okay, so as you can see, everything up seeing in my friend's screen. Okay, here if you want to stop this presenting or share screen, you just simply click on the bottom. As you can see, the stop sharing, just simply click on stop sharing button and you can easily stop this sharing. And if you're not finding out this system, you can easily click on the stop presenting. You can easily do this. Let me show you. If you click on this present now and click on your entry screen, then you'll see something like this. But if you want to share your screen, you just need to click on this tab or this display or this section, or as like you just need to click on this. Okay, so when you click on this, then you'll see this share button is visible. If you not click on this icon or not click on this display, you'll not able to access this share button. So if you want to share your screen, just simply click on this display and click on this share button. Then you can share your screen. So I'm just recommending you to use your like this first option. It's very easy, and as you can see, I'm now presenting up there, and if I want to stop this presenting, I can easily stop this thing. So this is just, I click on this your presenting button and click on stop presenting, and then my presenting is now off. So here the more details option, like your join meeting link, and if you want to send the link any other person, you can easily share that thing. And if you go to this three dot menu, then you'll see the full screen change layout, and you'll see the zero present there. If I hit another option like setting, so if you want to off this microphone or any other, just if you want to change your webcam and here the video and everything, some settings are present there. So if you want to change it, you can easily change here. As like when you sending a video like using webcam, that time it's depend on your internet connection. If you have a better internet connection, you can share the high definition like 720p video quality. But if you not have like any strong internet connection, I'm recommending you use 360p. Okay, and if you want to turn on your camera, you can easily turn on there. It's very simple. And here, just if you click on there, then you'll see you can see your all member who are seeing your this meeting or who are joining their meeting. And here the another option, you can add you can invite your friends as you wish here. When you click on add people, then you will see like a Gmail option. You can easily input their Gmail and send their mail. You can easily do that thing. And here another option is like chat system. So if you want to use the chat system, you can use the chat system. So here also your friends can able to access this chat system and they can send you messages also. Okay, so I hope guys you understand that thing like about like Google Meet. Here's some limited option, but I think if you are a two person and you just want to communicate each other, I think Google Meet is better for you, because you don't need to you don't need to install any kind of software. You don't need to anything else. It's very simple. Just copy the link and share your friends and join. Just tell him to join there, and you also join and share your screen. And same like suppose one problem sometime I'm facing. Suppose I'm just sharing my screen. Suppose I'm just sharing my screen, but my friends also want to share their screen. So that time, how we can share your friend's screen, but how he share? So if we share this, this is my another PC. So if I click on this present now button, then I can share your entry screen, and here you can take over from this presenter like the share button, share screen, and click on share. Then he can also, like your friends can also share her screen. And here as you can see, this is now changes, like it's now changing. Okay, so I hope guys you understand. And okay, so let me show you how it's looking. I think it's not looking, so I just need to first cancel this. So stop the sharing. When I stop the sharing, I think I can see my friend's skin. So now I'm seeing my friend's skin. Okay, so I hope guys you will get a beautiful idea about like Google Meet. If you like this video, just click on this like button, and if you're new here in my channel, so please consider and subscribe, and tell me about your opinion in my comment section. And thank you.